Okay, alright, there's been a lot since the last video. He's modded the exhaust. Let's create a side exit. Can we hear it running?
Yeah,
Let's hear it running. Hear this.
I can't rev it to work.
Oh no! You just need to start up and let it idle. That's good enough. I don't want you.
Needs a
Go mad.
Lambda sensor put in it, yeah.
Well, we can worry about that later. So,
Winding down in a minute.
it'll go mad.
Yeah, Daz has done all.
Right, let's have a look.
Redone all fuel pipes properly.
Oh yeah.
All runs proper. And I've reconditioned this.
Yeah.
Sprayed it all.
Oh yeah. So that's ready to go back
Sprayed it
on.
with some
Yeah.
textures.
Yeah. I'll tell you what. That ECU for Corsa should be around here somewhere, unless it's on. Wait, other cylinder. Yup. Other ECU for Corsa.
You got pumps there as well there.
Oh yeah, you got your fuel filter. Yeah, all plumbed in. Yeah. It's a bit neater. Oh, it's getting there.
Sounds better now.
Oh, it does. Yeah. But I don't like that exhaust note. Yep. It's progress is progress.
I think it's a bit loud as well. I might well do the other one in.
Yeah.
Cut these off and then reload these in.
Yeah, but don't forget, it's in the building. You need to listen to it when it's out there and it's not echoing. Then it'll sound right.
If it's too noisy, I will do the baffling.
Yeah, we'll just see how it goes.
So I already cut all the ends off. It's simple.
Well, like I says, you might be all right once it's on
Sounds better when it's
road.
plus it ain't got lambda sensor in it, so it's not going to be running properly.
Yeah. You can sort all that out. So yep, that's definitely progress.
It's getting there. It's
Yeah, it is.
More like a van now, isn't it?
It's a
So I'll probably get that in tomorrow and then
yeah.
we're going to start on bodywork, cutting all bits out and stuff.
Yeah, you got that sill on there. Right, so that's the quick update. I'll just end it here. Be a quick video. So that's it for now. It's now the next day, and just put the other silence on the exhaust. It sounds a bit quieter. And next job is to fit this sill. There's plenty of rust. He's starting to grind it all off. That got through an MOT like that. When we MOT'd,
Still got a year on it.
yeah, past the MOT like that.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It's running out of fucking petrol.
Yeah.
Got all filler underneath there.
There's a lot of filler on it here.
Rust. See all bloody rust. Yeah, filler and rust.
We'll fix all back at sill first before I even put sill on.
Yeah. Ah, be when you've done with it.
What are you going to do with floor?
Gonna rebuild it all. All this. Plate all that up. Plate all this up, then put sill on.
Can you not just get that footwell bit
Probably get a repair pack. You don't see it as long as it's fucking lazy.
Yeah, just fab it up.
Fucking man, I've seen a lot of fucking words.
I'm turn the steering so that wheels out what way. Oh, you've got enough room there.
No, I've managed to pass the test.
That's what I just said.
Managed to pass the test. It's not structural though, innit? If it were one at legs, yeah, it's not a leg, it's a fucking sill.
I thought still be structural. It's a
The legs on these
unitary construction.
I thought the felled them not sills though.
Not really. Depends what sort of a car it is. Some cars use the sills for strength. On the van, it's the legs.
Yeah.
For the main leg.
Yeah. But it's box
Well, it's like
section
that front
there anyway,
panel.
innit?
It's not load bearing, that front panel. Well, the bit of the panel that goes behind the bumper.
Stick other piece on, weld it up.
Got some plate in there, that plate I'll look behind.
You're going to do it once, do it right.
You do all that.
Yeah, you're not going to have a right lot to weld to there, are you? How far does that panel go on? You just go to liquid round off, yeah.
I'm going to have to fold a piece over and then fold it round.
Yeah, make your lip.
Yeah. Remake a piece going up. Piece of piss, man.
For you, yeah.
We've got
It
all
will
that,
be.
You've got all that sheeting in there, anyway, haven't you?
That's what I've
That's
got.
it.
Sick of looking at it. I wonder why it was fucking cutting out then.
Go on. You got no petrol in?
It's like they've run out of petrol, innit? Must be. That's what it does when it starts.
Yeah, it was something that up in that tank.
I'm going to go and fill it up.
I was going to say that I tipped all everything what we're at filter and pipes what was in that thing.
Alright, get a close up of all
I've
this.
got a big green one. Yeah, I've got that.
Come with us if you want.
Yeah, I've got that big green one.
You see my custom exhaust, Dave?
I'll tell you what, might as well have a look. Oh, there we go, yeah.
Oh. Not bad that, innit?
Oh, you've done a fantastic job.
That's all made out of exhaust about,
Yeah.
so I ain't wasted all.
There, yep.
You know what I mean? It's solid, it doesn't knock around. Well, it does a bit there. I need to put another rubber on it.
We're just getting brand new or a poly, getting poly ones, can't you?
Yeah.
And they'll last forever. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. That's you've done a good job there. It looks like a
Proper job, doesn't it?
yeah, like these
Sure.
builders do.
Shame it ain't stainless.
No, don't worry about that.
You can get that.
It's new. It's basically new
What I have
exhaust,
to do is
isn't it?
buy a stainless one of these exhausts and make it all myself.
TIG weld it though, don't you?
Get stainless wire for the welder.
Oh yeah, you need
Just
TIG
like-
for
just
stainless or aluminium.
You know, you can MIG weld stainless with stainless wire for MIG weld.
You know, yeah.
It's just a bit splattery.
So a quick look underneath. It looks
It's not
pretty
too
much
bad,
sound
really.
actually.
There's an hole at back,
Yeah.
a couple of holes underneath, so I know.
But these sills are going to
Get some-
probably the worst
I'm gonna
bit.
get some rusty in here. Fucking
Oh.
blather it.
I was gonna say, that's the box
Like I'm
section,
rusty.
that's where the bearing bit will be, won't it?
Yeah, that's where it'll take the weight. A little bit low bearing them.
A lot in over there. I'll get some rusty in there.
Yeah, you'll be able to sort
All
that.
those little holes are probably where they've advised him and stuck screwdriver through.
Yeah.
Don't know about floor though.
Alright, I'm going to end this one here.